Hello students, welcome to my new video. In this video we will discuss about physical and chemical changes for class 7. Today's topic is chemical changes. There are two types of chemical changes, exothermic and endothermic. Exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. And what is exothermic reaction? I am going to explain exothermic reaction. The reaction in which heat is released is called exothermic reaction. Example, combustion of carbon can be represented as below. Second one is endothermic reaction. The reaction in which heat is absorbed is called endothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction you can see with the help of examples. Example is carbon burned with oxygen and gives as a product carbon dioxide. Here one atom of carbon and two atom of oxygen so this is reactants, and after that it gives CO2 plus heat. Second example is combustion of methane, which can be shown as below. Formula of methane is CH4, which react with oxygen. Here, look here, methane, one atom of carbon, and four atom of hydrogen, and two atom of oxygen. It gives CO2 and water. So in this reaction heat evolved. And endothermic reaction. Example of endothermic reaction. Look here students. First example is reaction of carbon with sulfur. So one atom of carbon react with two molecule of sulfur and it gives as a product CS2. That means carbon sulfide. Second example is reaction of nitrogen and oxygen. So two atom of nitrogen react with two atom of oxygen, which gives in the presence of heat, which gives as a product nitric oxide, two molecule of nitric oxide. And third example of exothermic reaction is here. Combustion of glucose can be represented by the following reaction. And formula of glucose is C6H12O6 plus 6O2, which is reactants. Look here students and try to understand. Here in glucose 6 atom of carbon and 12 atom of hydrogen and 6 atom of oxygen, which react with 6 molecule of oxygen, and as a reactant it gives 6 molecule of carbon dioxide and 6 molecule of water plus energy. Fourth example of exothermic reaction is here. Reaction of calcium oxide with water. When calcium oxide react with water, it gives calcium hydroxide plus heat. So students, look here, I taught you types of chemical changes, and there are two types of chemical changes, exothermic and endothermic, and also I taught you examples. So I think you understand my conversation and remember it. Your topic is completed. We will discuss further topic of physical and chemical changes in the next video. So please like my video, share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.